Imagine this, your favorite sushi, perfectly crafted, each piece a work of art. But wait, something's missing. No drizzle of that rich umami-packed soy sauce. Without it, the flavors are muted, the experience incomplete. Ever wondered what goes into making this essential companion to your meal? Join us as we uncover the meticulous journey from humble soybean to the soul of your sushi. Before we dive into the modern marvel of soy sauce production, let's take a step back in time. Imagine ancient China, over 2,500 years ago, where the story of soy sauce begins. Originally, soy sauce was born from the need to preserve food, a simple concoction of fermented soybeans and wheat. Over centuries, this humble seasoning traveled across Asia, evolving into the rich, dark liquid we know today. In Japan, it was perfected into shoyu, the distinctive soy sauce that has become a cornerstone of Japanese cuisine. Each region added its own twist, some sweeter, some saltier, but all with that unmistakable umami punch. Fast forward to today, soy sauce is more than just a condiment. It's a global culinary icon. Whether drizzled over sushi, stirred into a marinade, or splashed into a stir-fry, soy sauce brings depth, complexity, and a touch of history to every dish. But what exactly goes into creating this liquid gold? Join us as we uncover the meticulous journey from ancient tradition to modern perfection. Welcome to the delightful world of soy sauce. Our journey starts here with these humble soybeans. Watch as they dive into their first adventure. A rejuvenating soak. Fresh from their bath, the beans take a spin in our mystical metal drum. It's not just a dance. They're getting heated up and ready for a transformation. Awakening the crucial enzymes that are key to their destiny. After the heat comes the cool down. Here on these wooden plates, our beans catch a much-needed breeze, settling their spirits and stabilizing the vital enzymes prepped in the dance of heat. Now meet Koji, the magic maker, teaming up with rice bran. Koji works its transformative spell. Turning our beans a striking greenish white. This isn't just cooking, it's alchemy. A quick rinse and scrub to ensure our beans are squeaky clean. Stripping away any unwanted residues and prepping them for the salt bath that's next on the agenda. Salt takes the stage, mingling with our prepped beans in grand vases. But it's not just dry salt. Salt water is poured over, filling every gap. This salt brine creates the perfect environment for a slow, deep fermentation. The salt draws out moisture, concentrating the flavors. While the water ensures that every bean is bathed in just the right balance of salt and thyme.
明年就要出来。有，很酷。
The heat is back, boiling our beans to perfection and separating the rich sauce from the solid heroes of our story. This separation is crucial, refining the sauce's flavor and setting the stage for the final touches. Next, the beans face the press, a squeeze that extracts every last drop of sauce. While any impurities are skimmed off the top, it's not just filtering, it's perfecting. Finally, into bottles our sauce goes. Ready for a steam bath that guarantees purity and longevity. Each bottle is a bottled promise of flavor, sealed and steamed to perfection. And there you have it. From bean to bottle, a journey of transformation. This is the art and science of making soy sauce, ready to enhance dishes around the globe.